How to delete Shopify store. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to delete Shopify store. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Settings. On your Shopify app, tap the three dots at the lower right corner to open the menu. Select Settings. Step 2. Delete store. In Settings, scroll down and tap Plan. Scroll down to the bottom and select Deactivate Trial, which will then automatically delete your account. And that's it! That is how you delete Shopify store. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!